Hello guys, this is Surbhi and today I'm going to explain about Allure reporting with Behave. So before starting, I'll just take 1 minute to explain why do we need reporting tool in automation. And you may find a lot of options in Behave, JBehave with Java or Cucumber, but I really find Allure as a cool option with Behave and Python. So I thought of sharing it with you guys. And first of all, before starting with it, the main question is why do we need reporting in automation? So whenever we run our test pack and we want to analyze the results and get the overall report of how many got pass and fail percentage, it's of quite good use. And the second point is everybody can participate and contribute in development and testing process. And it once you have created the index.html that I'm going to explain what it is, and it can be used for future purpose and can be used as an artifact. So now let's start with Allure. And if you want to know more about this framework or more about this test report tool, you can visit their official website and you will be able to know more features. And this video is more on demo side. So I'll be just I'll be running 2 or 3 test cases. I'll be running a feature file because this is integrated with Behave, and I'll be running it. I'll be creating a index.html. So let's start. So if I'll open my PyCharm because I have created my whole framework on PyCharm, and this is my features folder. This is my API test feature, and I have developed this feature file and I'll be running this whole feature. So this includes my 2 test case. This is one scenario, this is the second scenario. And if you see here, right now I don't have any reports folder. So after a few minutes we will be able to see. So before starting, first the important thing is installation. There are 2 things. We need 2 things for Allure reporting. First is the Allure adapter that will be generating your files in XML or JSON. And the second thing is how you will convert the JSON or XML files into index.html. So let's come to installation. So before installation, you can go inside file, you can go inside settings, you add your project interpreter, and using this plus sign you can add this Allure behave. So this doesn't work with community edition. You have to work on Python proper edition. You cannot use community edition for it. If you're working in Office, then you can use this. So you have to use this Allure behave and press OK. And once it is downloaded, once the package is installed, then the other thing that you will need is command line tool. So you can directly go to Google and type command line tool for Allure, or you can directly go to this site and drop it, and you will be able to see download. And once it is downloaded, you will be able to see your Allure version in your command line. So let's come here, and now our installation is done. It's very easy, right? So it's very easy. It's just a 2-step process. The first step is you are installing the module or package in PyCharm. If you're not using PyCharm, then you can also use command line tool and install your using pip install Allure behave. You can use that command. And once it is done, then you have to go inside your Allure where it is installed. So it is installed in C drive, program files, Allure, and you can open the command prompt here. Before that, if you're using Windows machine, you have to add this bin path to an environment variables. So I'll go inside this using advanced system settings, go to environment variables, open the path, edit this path, add one more path. I have already added, so I'm not adding it here now. Now once you have added, then you can check your status whether it's correctly installed or not. So go to program files, Allure, open your command prompt here and write Allure ver Allure version, and I'm able to see as 2.13.5. So this is my Allure version, and now I'll be creating my reports. So as I already explained, first step we'll be creating the reports in JSON format, and the second step we will be converting that JSON format into index.html. So if you see here, I don't have any reports folder, and this is a featured JBehave. If you want to learn more about it, drop me in inbox. I'll create some more videos on behave with API test. And if you see here, I don't have any reports folder. So let's go to view, and as our Allure is already installed, let's go to terminal, and now we have to write one command, that is behave -f behave formatter Allure formatter. This is the folder, this is the name of my folder which I want to create. You can write here my folder, result folder, target folder, anything you like. This is the path of my feature file, because as I already told you, this is behave, and this tag is the name of the tag which I have given to feature. You can run all features, you can run a single feature, you can run a single scenario as well. So I'll be just copying this command and just paste it in my terminal. So, and now press OK. Okay, now it ran, and before this I was not able to see any reports folder, but now after refreshing it, I am able to see my result folder here, Allure result folder. So my test case ran, and my JSONs are created, but I won't be able to see this JSON because I need a index.html file. So it's very easy. You can just go inside your folder where you are working and go to users, Urbhi, and go to projects. So here I can see my folder, Allure result folder. So just copy this path. I'll be opening command prompt with administrator because it allows me to do everything. And I'll just copy and go to this path. It's not copied. Let's copy once again. Okay, I'm inside this folder. Now the command is Allure generate and the path where you want this result folder, Allure reports folder. So just I want inside this folder. So let's copy this path and come out and paste it here. I should get a message successfully, report successfully generated to Allure report. So that means my report is generated and it is inside Allure report. So if you can see here, it is inside this Python cell integration because I have given this path and I have created this Allure report. Now, if you can see, I am seeing this index.html file, but there's some problem in opening this HTML file with browser. And so there is one more option. If you can just open the same command prompt and just write Allure open and type the path till your index.html and write open. It's saying starting web server and you can see your dashboard. So I have just run one feature file. It is saying me one test case, it got passed, so 100% got passed. There are no environment variables. So you can run your whole suite as well. And it is quite effective and it is of great use if you use it properly. And this is done. It's very simple, right? And you can you can save this index.html to some place and you can use it later. So that's it. And if you have any queries, just ping me in comment section and I'll definitely respond to it. Thank you.